Today reviewed the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir. The Home Minister is on a two-day visit to the valley, during which he has invited all those who believe in Kashmiriyat, in Insaniyat and Jamhuriyat for talks. He was briefed by the top civil, army, police and paramilitary officials about the prevailing situation in the Kashmir Valley, which has been witnessing unrest for the last 47 days after the killing of the Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Burhan Wani on July 8. We're going to get you that story in just a little bit. Right now, the situation in Kashmir, as we know, has been there's been unrest there for the last 47 days. 66 people have lost their lives in this unrest. The security forces. Here's our report.
Home Minister Rajnath Singh arrived in Srinagar with the task of restoring peace in the Kashmir Valley, and with the invitation to all stakeholders for talks on his agenda. On a two-day visit, not only is the Home Minister taking stock of the situation in the valley, he is also making all-out efforts to create a conducive atmosphere for the restoration of peace. At the same time, he is interacting with political parties and people from different walks of life. After reaching Kashmir on Wednesday, delegations of political parties came to meet him. A delegation led by former Chief Minister and National Conference leader Omar Abdullah was followed by one of the leaders from the Congress, the PDP and the BJP, among other parties. All delegations spoke at length on the situation in Kashmir.
This is part of an ongoing process of engagement with the Government of India because we believe that it is very important that a political dialogue be initiated with the stakeholders of Jammu and Kashmir. The medium to long term, which is the initiation of a sustained, meaningful dialogue to find what, in the words of the Prime Minister, is a lasting solution.
Before leaving Delhi for Kashmir, the Home Minister had tweeted, I quote, I will be staying at the Nehru Guest House. Those who believe in Kashmiriyat, Insaniyat and Jamhuriyat are welcome. In another tweet, the Home Minister said, shall interact with civil society groups, political parties and other stakeholders.
राज्य सरकार से, सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज के लोगों से, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लोगों से सबसे बातचीत करेंगे, स्थिति का जायजा लेंगे और कई अन्य लोग भी गृह मंत्री जी से मिलने की इच्छा व्यक्त की हुई है। तो गृह मंत्री जी आज उन्होंने कहा भी था कि सभी लोगों से वो मिलने के लिए वो तैयार है।
The Home Minister's two-day visit is taking place in the backdrop of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting on Monday with a delegation of opposition leaders from the state led by former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. At that meeting, the Prime Minister had expressed deep concern and pain at the prevailing situation in J&K and underlined the need to find a permanent and lasting solution to the problem within the framework of the Constitution. The PM had said that those who had lost their lives in the unrest, be they the youth or security and army personnel, were our people and part of our country. He said his government and the entire country stands with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. He emphasized his commitment to the development of the state and appealed to people to restore normalcy. The importance of Home Minister Rajnath Singh's visit can also be gauged by the fact that it is his second visit to the valley within a month. The main purpose of the visit is to share the pain and difficulties of the people and to send the message that the centre and the entire country stands united with the people of Jammu and Kashmir in these troubled times. And also that the government is more than willing to walk the extra mile for the restoration of peace in Kashmir. With Anuj Yadav in Srinagar, News Night Desk,